Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to be talking about my new course, which is all about arts printable. So if you want to start learning how to make passive income on Etsy, this is the course for you. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, guys, make sure that you subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to show me some love and leave a comment below if you have any questions or concern about the course. So let's go ahead and kind of go over the course. I just wanted to do a quick video before prices go up. I am pushing the price up to $200 on Monday. So I wanted to make a quick announcement for anyone out there that wants to get the low price of $150. Now, the Arts Printable Etsy course is basically set up in a way that I'm teaching you step by step how to open a successful arts printable course. On top of that, I do teach you how to create art printables on Etsy. So I teach you how to do everything. In addition to the course, I'm going to be adding additional courses or additional lessons. So I'm going to be adding lessons like do-it-yourself digital products, step by step on how to create them. I'm going to also be adding how to use Facebook for your Etsy business. These are going to be additional videos. How to use Instagram for your Etsy business, plus much more. This course is going to have eventually a whole bunch of different lessons. So basically, when you start your arts printable store, you'll be able to create one from scratch. You'll be able to learn how to create art printables. You'll be able to know how to market yourself on Facebook, how to market yourself as well on Instagram and other social media platforms, as well how to create additional products. So if you wanted to take it to the next level and learn how to create wedding signs and wedding invites and Snapchat filters and other designs that you could create to earn passive income, I'm going to be teaching you how to do so. So as you can see, the value of the course, as I add additional videos, the price will be going up. So as of now, you could get it for $150. Eventually, it's going to go up on Monday for $200. And eventually after that, once I finish all the lessons and I have included all the lessons, the price will go up to $575. Now, at the current moment, keep in mind, I have added the additional courses. You could visit this page. I'm going to leave the link below. And in this page, you could enroll right here for $150. You could do the payment plan if you want. And then this has all the information on what exactly you're getting in the course. This is the course curriculum. So if you want to kind of look at it and see what's included. And I already started adding the additional lessons as a bonus to the course. Now, keep in mind, once you enroll, whether you do it today, you are set. You don't have to pay anything else, even if I was to add an additional 5 courses on top of this one. So once you sign up for the one time, you will have lifetime access to every single lesson that I add to the course. Now, people that don't buy at the current moment, if they decide to buy months from now, will have to pay the higher price. Or if they decide to buy after Monday, will have to pay the $200 price. So just keep that in mind. If you have any questions about the course, feel free to leave a question. I mean, no question is a dumb question. So if any type of question that comes up in your mind that you are curious about, or you want to know if a particular subject will be included in the course curriculum, let me know in the comment section. I really don't mind answering any questions you guys may have. If you want to private message me as well, you could do so on my Facebook or email me. You could get my information on my Instagram account. Either way, it doesn't matter. Just reach out to me if you have any questions about the course. But I did want to make this video before prices go up. So if you are interested in learning how to make passive income, get access to my members only Facebook group, which I'm there all the time. You could ask questions all the time. You could tag me on whatever you need help with. And if you want to build a successful printable shop, I'll be able to help you with that. Keep in mind also, a nice thing about having a digital store is that you don't really have to leave your home. It's a digital store. So basically everything that you sell is either an instant download or a personalized item that you personalize and send over to the customer via email or via Xe message. So there's no shipping. It's very little upfront cost to start a digital store, and very low overhead expenses, which is really, really, really nice. This is how I was able to start my first digital store in 2016, and I made 21,000, and then I'm able to triple my income to 86,000 selling digital products. And is just a matter of just doing it and taking the leap, especially if you have been thinking of opening your first Etsy store or possibly opening an additional store where you sell digital products, just so you could make like side income, even if you want to just make 10,000 a year or make an extra 20,000 a year. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will see you in the course. And thank you everyone for watching.